Let's be honest right now. You clicked on this video because you probably have something important to do, but instead, you are here. You're probably beating yourself up, aren't you? You're thinking, why is my willpower so weak? Why can't I sit still for even 5 minutes? Or maybe, do I have ADHD? Well, I have some good news and some bad news. The good news is, your willpower isn't weak, and the problem isn't your brain. According to neuroscience research from Stanford, the problem is your eyes. Yes, you heard that right. How you use your eyes controls 100% of how well your brain focuses, and chances are you are using them wrong. The source of the problem, prey or predator? Let's talk about a biological fact. In nature, eyes are divided into two types. Prey animals, like cows, have eyes on the sides of their heads. Why? Because they are in a constant state of panic. They have to scan everywhere to spot danger. They can't focus, they only scan. But predators, like tigers, have eyes facing forward. Before they attack, they lock on to a single point. Modern neuroscience has proven a simple rule. Mental focus follows visual focus. Here is where your problem starts. By scrolling through your phone all day or working with multiple tabs open, you are training your brain to constantly scan. Because your eyes are always moving, your brain tells you, relax, we're just looking around, no need to go deep. When you sit down to study or work, your brain is still stuck in that cow mode.
The solution: 3 scientific steps to trick your brain. So, how do we switch the brain into predator mode? Scientists suggest a drug-free, zero-cost method that works instantly. It's all about triggering a chemical in your brain called acetylcholine. Here is how you do it.
Step 1. The visual anchor. Right before you start working, stare at a single point in your field of vision for 60 to 120 seconds. Do not look away. It might get a little blurry, that's fine. You can blink, but don't move your gaze. What does this do? When you lock your eyes onto one spot, your brain gets the message, okay, only this matters right now. It shuts down distractions and fires up your focus neurons. Step 2. Manage your blinking. Here's a weird fact. Blinking is like a scene change for your brain. It resets your perception of time and concentration. During those critical moments of deep work, try to consciously blink a little less. This helps maintain that flow state. Step 3. The 90-minute rule. No predator can stalk its prey for 10 hours. Our brains work in 90-minute rhythms called ultradian cycles. Don't force yourself to work for 5 hours straight. Focus hard for 90 minutes, then take a break. And remember, the first 5 to 10 minutes will be painful. You will feel bored. This is normal. That is just the friction of your brain shifting gears. Don't give up.
Focus isn't a talent. It is a biological mechanism. If you control your eyes, you control your mind. When this video ends, don't click on another one. Flip your phone over, pick a spot on the wall, and just stare at it for 60 seconds. You will feel how your brain quiets down. For more science-based personal development, don't forget to subscribe. Focus and create. See you in the next one.